always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8 with meteorologist Sarah Flynn.
Just after 12:15, and air quality is some of the worst that we've ever seen in the state of Michigan. We're actually at the top level, which is the hazardous range. It's a level 6 out of 6 on our scale, and we're expecting to be there throughout the day today. So not a whole lot of improvement as we move about the next few hours, but perhaps some improvement as we slide into our Friday and the weekend. In the meantime, here is a look at the lakeshore, if you can see off in the distance. South Haven and Muskegon, not so much. Even Holland struggling a bit out there with dense smokes. Once we really hit that hazardous range, it is not advisable to spend any time outside. So stay inside as much as you can today. And if you have to be outside, regulate the amount of time you're breathing in the air. Here's a look at our air quality alert. It is for most of the Midwest, all of Wisconsin, all of Michigan. No change there. It did get extended, though. Goes through the end of the day on Friday, which means we are expecting this smoke to play an impact for more than 24 hours. And you'll see that with our futurecast as well. Really not a whole lot of improvement today as promised. As we move into tomorrow, though, there is a little bit of hope. We're going to see a system slide in, and with that frontal boundary, it may just push some of the smoke further off to our northeast. So northeast Michigan still going to likely have some issues, Upper Peninsula as well if you're trying to head out for the weekend. But by about 6, 7 o'clock, perhaps even 8 or 9, we'll start to see some improvement in West Michigan. And I think while we'll still likely have hazy skies off in the distance, that air quality level or air quality index will improve by late Friday afternoon. Now, it's impacting our temperatures as well. We aren't going to get nearly as warm today because of this smoke. We're at 82 in Allegan as well as in Holland, 79 in Grand Rapids, and 81 in Fremont. Next 24 hours should bring high temperatures at worst near 90. I actually think most of us will be in those mid to upper 80s, and then overnight lows will drop down to the upper 60s with smoke continuing at least for the first half of the day tomorrow. Now, there is a potential for a few isolated showers as we move about Friday. Take a look here. We are expecting this warm front to lift across, which could push some of the smoke out of the region, and maybe a pop-up shower or two, but the vast majority of us should once again dodge this rain chance. We have a much better chance for rain as we move into Saturday, and perhaps a few thunderstorms developing then as well. Both tomorrow and Saturday should be in the upper 80s to low 90s. Again, if that smoke lingers just a little bit longer, we're likely going to drop that high temperature. Sunday looking okay. I'm really hoping the smoke will clear out because 86 and sunny would feel a lot better to us after this heat wave. Another round of rain looking quite likely Monday and Tuesday. It doesn't look like it's going to be a washout, and at this point we could really benefit from a ton of rain, but we're just not seeing those systems really hit us here in West Michigan. Behind that system, though, it is notably cooler. We'll see those high temperatures drop down to near 80 on Wednesday, up to 83 on Thursday, right on par with average.